To charge a Booking.com virtual credit card, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you should ensure that you have a Booking.com Genius account or a Booking.com virtual credit card. If you do not have one, you can apply for it through the Booking.com website. Once you have the virtual credit card, you can proceed to charge it by following these steps. Log into your Booking.com account and navigate to the payment section. In this section, you will find the virtual credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, go to the website or platform where you want to use the virtual credit card to make a payment. Enter the virtual credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, in the required fields. Make sure to enter the details correctly to avoid any errors or declines. Also, ensure that the merchant or platform accepts the type of virtual credit card you have. If the payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation message or email. It is essential to note that Booking.com virtual credit cards have specific terms and conditions, including usage limits and expiration dates. You should review these terms and conditions before using the virtual credit card to avoid any issues or declined payments. Additionally, it is crucial to keep your virtual credit card details secure to prevent unauthorized use or fraud. You should not share your virtual credit card details with anyone, and ensure that you are using a secure and trusted platform to make payments. In conclusion, charging a Booking.com virtual credit card is a straightforward process that requires you to have a Booking.com Genius account or a Booking.com virtual credit card. Log into your account, navigate to the payment section, and enter the virtual credit card details on the merchant or platform website. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your Booking.com virtual credit card to make payments securely and efficiently.